Hello, my name is Tarun, and I'm sitting here with one of my favorite actresses and the nicest human being that you can ever meet, Shruti Marathe. And also, this is the second stint that I'm doing with this show called Good Morning Pune, and she's the first guest on the show. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you for doing this. And more importantly, श्रुति का एक वेब सीरीज आ रहा है जिसका नाम है प्रीतम एंड पेड्रो.
विनी मेरे पास है. आपके विनी में जरा भी मैनर्स नहीं है. मुझे मिडिल फिंगर दिखा रहा था तो आई सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम.
I saw you in the trailer, and whenever I think of Shruti, I think of this very nice person who's very cheerful. And in this trailer, the first thing is you're screaming.
And stressed out.
Yeah, my heart skipped a beat. मैंने कहा यार ये क्या हो रहा है? And what is this character? उसका नाम क्या है और इस lady को क्या problem क्या है?
So my character's name is Shraddha, who was a wife of a minister in Goa. और उसका बेटा मिसिंग है. And Preetham and Pedro, they are solving this case. So if you see the trailer, the reason I'm screaming is because the kidnapper has cut the middle finger of my son. And it's shown in the trailer.
Yeah, it's shown in the trailer.
Yes. So I'm devastated. कि अब गया मेरा बेटा. And they are solving the case.
As an actor, so how do you prepare for something like this?
I don't think there's one way to prepare for it. You have to understand how you would react to it, how the director wants it, and there are 2-3 ways you can react to a certain situation. And for this one, it's too much of a blow for Shraddha to see her son's finger, which has been cut and खून भी निकल रहा है and all that thing. So this was appropriate what the director thought कि she should react that way, and that is how it happened.
Very well done. Very मतलब जो उसका impact मतलब intended था वो शायद हुआ है. मुझ पे तो हुआ है. And I was watching it on phone when you shared the trailer for the first time. मैंने उसको टैप किया to see it and I'm like, oh my god. डरा दिया मुझे अच्छा खासा. मैं couch पे बैठ के scroll कर रहा था Instagram. So cool. And this is produced by Rajkumar Hirani.
Yes.
So it's of course very well done. और अगर आपको देख के समझ में आएगा कि यार क्या कमाल के इन्होंने लोगों को पिक किया है. Arshad Varsi is playing Pedro.
Yes.
And Rajkumar Hirani's own son Veer Hirani is playing Preetham. These are the two characters जो इस बच्चे को अब ढूंढ के लाएंगे. So it means a lot for Rajiv Hirani sir as well.
Yeah. And I think we all, at least me, we all dream of working with Raju Hirani someday, because the kind of films that he's given us and how much we have enjoyed his film, it's always like a dream to be a part of any of his production. And this is his first web series that he's producing, and I'm so happy I'm a part of it.
तो कैसे हुआ ये? How did you meet him? And then कुछ audition हुआ था क्या या?
Oh, okay. So Mukesh Habra has done the casting of this whole series. And so the thing with me, I don't know why, but I don't like auditions. 2 reasons behind it. One is, so I don't feel it's fair to judge someone whether he or she is suitable for that character with an audition, you know.
Yeah.
And second, auditions don't work for me. मैंने जितने भी अब तक auditions हिंदी में दिए, none of them have worked, and all those big web series are now on air and they've not worked for me. So they were also the film that I did with Junior NTR. I didn't audition for it. A couple of other films also in Hindi that I did, I didn't audition for it. So when I got a call from Mukesh's office saying ki Raju sir is doing a web series, and I'm like, don't tell me I have to audition, yaar. Don't tell me. मतलब मेरा ना सा दिल ये होता है कि यार ऑडिशन मत बोलो. आप कुछ यू टेल मी टू रीड द स्क्रिप्ट, यू टेल मी ऑन डू अ मोनोलॉग और समथिंग इन हिज ऑफिस, एंड ये सब मुझे बोलो आप करने के लिए. मुझे ऑडिशन मत बोलो, बिकॉज मुझे पता है कि मैं सिलेक्ट नहीं होने वाली. He's like, no, there's no audition. We showed him previous of few auditions that we had, and he really find you interesting. So he's calling you to office to meet him. I'm like, okay, that's nice. This is working. This is fine. So I went to his office. His office is very, very interesting, by the way. When you enter his office, right hand side pe there's a glass window, and there's a Charlie Chaplin hanging outside the window. I'll show you the photo also that I have. It's very interesting. You enter his office, there's the big Munna Bhai MBBS ki scooter and the sidecar wala ji scooter.
Haan.
It's in his office, and you know, it's a lovely office that he has. So I went there and he was there and we talked about it. Avinash Arun, the director also of the series, was there, and we talked about a scene in the series, and they liked it, and that's how it happened. It was so simple.
Also, मुझे लगता है कि for someone like you, मतलब 42 roles in different films you've done, Marathi, Hindi, South की कितनी सारी फिल्में you've done. Devra that you mentioned, you play the wife of Junior NTR, and so many really popular, very big TV series that you've done. मतलब बहुत body of work बहुत ज़्यादा है कि वहाँ देख लो यार.
नहीं.
So of course, मतलब lot of work available. पर ये वाला कुछ interesting है. मतलब ये जो story है, मेरे को ट्रेलर देख के वैसे लगा आई एम साइक्ड टू वॉच इट कि यार ये अब आएगी तो मैं देखूंगा. दिस इज फैंटास्टिक. एंड ऑफ कोर्स यू हैड previous experiences with the web series Bard of Blood you did.
Yes.
And इस कहानी के बारे में anything that you want to say कि what do you think is the most because you know the story.
I won't get into the story, but the most interesting part of it is that Pritam and Pedro both are so completely different characters. Pedro being Arshad Varsi, who plays a cop and believes in old school solving cases. He would like, you know, someone who would go on a field, you know, look for clues, and you know, he believes in that kind of work. And Pritam is someone who's a complete techie and who believes कि यहाँ पे बैठ के सब कुछ हो सकता है, आपको कहीं जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, आप लोकेशन बता दो, मैं हैक करता हूँ और आपको डिटेल्स मिल जाएंगे. आपको उस CCTV कैमरे का फुटेज चाहिए, डोंट वरी, I'll hack it and you'll get all the details. So these are two very opposite people working on a case, and how they solve it, and कहाँ पे working on field at time helps and kahan pe working in front of the laptop also helps is what the fun part of the series is.
Very interesting. It's a very interesting whodunit kind of a thing. Kaise milega wo bacha missing hai, and it's set in one of my favorite places, Goa. Who doesn't love Goa, man? The last time we saw suspense type ka story out of Goa was in Drishyam.
Yes.
And in films like Singham. क्या interesting लग रही है, आप ज़रूर देखिए. It's releasing on 3rd of July on Hotstar, Jio Hotstar. And of course Shruti is there. She plays the character of Shraddha, the child's mother who's missing. And Pritam and Pedro, Arshad Varsi, who was Circuit in Raju Hirani's Munna Bhai. And Veer Hirani plays Pritam, his aide, his friend, who played छोटा सर्किट
in Munna Bhai.
In Munna. So राजू हिरानी का जो बेटा है, वीर हिरानी, जिसमें लीड रोल में है, वो सर्किट बने थे, छोटा सर्किट बने थे इन सर्किट इन मुन्ना भाई. तो आप दोनों इनको भी देखेंगे और श्रुति को देखेंगे, ऑफ कोर्स. सो कूल. आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड फॉर इट. एनीथिंग दैट यू वांट टू से टू योर सिटी Pune before I let you go about this series and of course about your role in it?
I think a lot of people in Pune now watch good content, and I can guarantee you that this is good content.
They always do.
Yes, they always
Punekars, they know कि क्या अच्छा है
exactly.
और क्या नहीं है.
Yes.
And they're very quick to point out
yeah,
also.
Yeah. So I'm waiting for all the feedbacks, and you know, क्या लगता है series के बारे में once it is out on the 3rd of July, and I'm sure that I'll get a good response from Punekars.
3rd of July, Jio Hotstar. Do check it out. And of course, I'll very soon call Shruti on studio again because she's shooting for another film, which we'll save for another time. Thank you so much.
Thank you.